Good, everyone. Look at the board now. Jamb asks you this question. Tell me the one that has the same vowel sound. The same words. This one means long I. Am I lying? Is it? Am I lying? Eh? I told you once you see or saw EO in a sentence, it is called long I. Are you hearing me? So what's the answer now? What's the answer? For long I. Answer A. Lies. I told you when you see I attached with consonant and vowel, it is long.
I thought it's any vowel.
Eh?
Any vowel.
The one that rhyme with this one is lies. Love. People. Pay. Love. I don't see I. I don't see it. What I gave you now, the formula. I don't see consonant and vowels. Are you not seeing it? As you can see it also in price. Price. Rise. Do you understand? That is what they call line. The line. They can ask you based on line. Do you understand? Well, I'll give you a formula on how to know them. Are you hearing me? Once you see I after consonant and vowel, it is called long I. Are you hearing me? But this one is short I because it is consonant and consonant. Are you hearing me? Once I plus consonant plus vowel, I plus consonant plus vowel is equal to what? Long I. But I plus consonant, either one consonant or plus another consonant equals to what? Short I. Do you understand? This one is talking about I plus consonant and what? And vowel. You know vowel now? Okay, my vowel. Yes, sir. It's in out among. Once you see consonant after I and E, it is long. I hear me. Ah, you understand? Let's do another one. Thanks for watching. Let's do another one.